Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're gonna go over the Paloff press, or is it Paloff press, or is it Paloff press? We don't know what it is, but we know what the movement is. Okay. So what we want to do is you can do this with the resistance. We use the resistance band, but you can use a cable as well. So if you're in the gym and you got access to some sort of adjustable cable, you can use that as well. Okay. Same concept, same foundational principles. Foundational principles. Not sure if that's the thing, but you know, we're gonna get the handle right here to the middle of the chest. That's the key. Okay, we want to keep it nice and centered here. That's home for us. Okay, and then we're just going to we want to go to a space. So as we're separating ourselves from where the weight is and getting further and further away, we want to get to a place where we're feeling a little slight pull. You know, I mean, the more of a pull that you feel, the more intense the workout's going to be. So just start off somewhere where you're feeling, a little nudge back, but you're going to fight that and you're going to stay centered at your chest, okay? And then you're going to slowly extend out. Key is that we're going to engage glutes. We're going to tighten up our abs, draw the belly button in, let the shoulders relax. So we're not going to be like this super tight. We're going to let those shoulders relax. We're going to pin down our armpits into our ribs, okay? And then we're going to slowly press out. Let those abs turn on as the glutes are squeezed, and we're going to slowly come back, okay? So notice I interlock the fingers, stand out, slowly come back, try to keep the shoulders relaxed, okay? So we're not going to be up here. No one likes anyone like this. Hey! Okay, now we want to keep our shoulders relaxed. Stand out. Alright. Okay? So, that's what it looks like from the front version. As you're doing it, as soon as you start extending your arms out, you're going to feel it. You're going to be like, oh, whoa, hey. Hello, abs. Okay? So now, just to see that from the side. Alright, so we're going to come right here. I'm going to note the logo on the sleeve. Leave that. Okay? Nice and centered to the chest, and we're just slowly extending out. Okay? Slowly coming back. Don't get too caught up on having to extend perfectly, and it's definitely not about like pushing it out. It's not the push. The idea is that we're fighting the rotation back. So the fight is staying straight and not rotating back towards where the load is, okay? That's where the fight is. And in order to make it harder, we're gonna slowly press out. Keep the handle centered to your chest, slowly bring it back. Glutes squeezed, abs tight. Stand out. Oh, the core's turning on. Come right back. Stand out. Bring it right back. That is a resistance band Paloff press. Don't forget to comment. Let me know what I'm doing wrong, man. Let me know what I'm doing right. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. And please don't forget that we love you.